Cryptocurrencies are growing rapidly, and industries worldwide are beginning to integrate digital currencies into their operations. Because of this, the value of owning cryptocurrencies is getting really high. So, this video will show you how to earn cryptocurrency for free, covering some of the most popular ways you can look. So, if you like stuff like this, you should definitely subscribe to our YouTube channel, Hungry Dollar. And if you already did, let's see our best ways of getting free crypto. You can play the Lucky Block crypto game. We have found that the best way to earn crypto inexpensively is to play crypto games. The best crypto games work similarly to the classic video games that people know and love, except that they are hosted on the blockchain rather than on gaming consoles. This offers a variety of benefits, most notably the ability to use cryptocurrencies within the game for a specific task. In addition, crypto games can also reward users with cryptocurrency for skillful play, which is the case with the best games for earning. In addition, crypto games can also reward users with cryptocurrency for skillful play, which is the case with the best games for earning. So, which is the best crypto game to earn crypto for free? Although there's been explosive developments in this area of the market, we recommend you check out the crypto lottery website, Lucky Block. Lucky Block is an innovative platform hosted on the Binance Smart Chain that offers exciting daily prize draws facilitated by a user-friendly web or mobile app. Users who own LBlock, Lucky Block's token, can generate passive income by simply connecting their crypto wallet to the gaming platform. The cash payouts start around the same time that the Lucky Block draws begin and correlate with the number of people who participate in the draws. You can also use crypto interest accounts. Another option, if you're wondering how to earn crypto for free, is to use crypto interest accounts. The best crypto interest accounts do exactly what the name implies. They offer you a way to earn interest on your cryptocurrency holdings. However, the great thing about these accounts is that the interest rates are often much higher than traditional bank accounts. A prime example of this is Accru's interest account, one of the leading platforms in this growing area of the cryptocurrency market. Accru allows users to deposit cryptocurrencies and earn interest instantly, currently supporting 5 different coins. In particular, Accru offers up to 12% interest per year on stablecoin deposits and 7% on BTC or ETH deposits. A never recommended platform is BlockFi. Like Accru, BlockFi allows users to earn cryptocurrencies through deposits, with the platform supporting over 30 coins. BlockFi also offers compound interest and a fast application process, making it ideal for users who want to keep their cryptocurrency for a longer period of time. Starting crypto staking is risky, but definitely high-paying. As defined by Binance Academy, crypto staking is the process of locking your coins to validate new blocks on specific blockchain networks. This refers to the method used on proof-of-stake blockchains rather than proof-of-work blockchains like Bitcoin. In exchange for their assistance in the validation process, participants who deploy their coins receive free cryptocurrency as a reward. Similar to earning interest on cryptocurrencies, the crypto staking process can offer much higher returns than traditional bank accounts. One of the best crypto staking platforms to consider partnering with is Accru, which we mentioned earlier. Although Accru does not offer staking services and term validation, the platform does offer a way to generate rewards that are similarly high. These rewards are 12% per year for USDC, USDT, and DAI deposits, and 7% for BTC and ETH deposits. Accru charges no fees for these deposits and no ongoing fees during the interest generation process. With Accru, there are also no lock-in periods to consider, so you can withdraw at any time. BlockFi also offers crypto stakes that follow a similar structure to Accru's. The platform supports over 30 different coins and offers returns of up to 11% per year. BlockFi also has no hidden fees or minimum balance thresholds, which makes it ideal for beginners. You can join an airdrop. One of the best ways to earn crypto effortlessly is to participate in a crypto airdrop. Crypto airdrops are the process of distributing cryptocurrencies for free to people who are interested in a certain project. This process is usually done when trying to create even more hype around an upcoming token launch, as giving away free tokens creates excitement on social media. Tamadosh, or Tama, is holding a big raffle for holders after the beta sales sold out and raised $2 million in no time. Those who participate will have a chance to win one of the best crypto giveaways of 2022. And we have full instructions on how to participate in the $100,000 Tama token airdrop. and we have full instructions on how to participate in the $100,000 Tama token airdrop. Tamadoge is one of the most exciting meme tokens on the market, offering not only the potential for massive returns, but also real benefits for holders through NFT ownership and a fun game to earn. Tama owners can coin NFT pets, which they nurture and grow until they are large enough to compete with other players on a global leaderboard for points that later become prizes. In the future, pets will become augmented reality and players will be able to go with them into the real world to hunt for Tama tokens and other rewards. DeFi lending is really special to participate in. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, refers to the ecosystem of financial applications based on blockchain technology. Due to their decentralized nature, these applications do not rely on a central authority to facilitate transactions. This provides room for a variety of new and exciting processes, with DeFi lending being one of the most popular. In DeFi lending, you give your cryptocurrency to a specific protocol, which then lends it to other parties. In exchange for providing cryptocurrency, you receive interest, with rates that are often much higher than those of the traditional banking system. This means that you can buy the best cryptocurrency to invest in and then lend it out via a DeFi protocol, allowing you to benefit from increases in value while earning a steady return. Returns vary depending on the asset and the protocol used, but can reach over 10% per year in certain situations. The great thing about DeFi loans is that most loan agreements are collateralized. This means that borrowers must post collateral in a form of cryptocurrencies, with this collateral being valued higher than the loan itself. Since the entire process is facilitated by smart contracts, there is no way to cheat the system and no credit check is required. You can earn crypto credit card rewards. If you're wondering how to earn crypto during your daily activities, then a crypto credit card might be the way to go. The best crypto cards are similar in structure to regular credit cards in that they offer cashback rewards for purchases. However, the key difference is that crypto credit cards reward their users in digital currencies rather than fiat. Due to the rapid proliferation of cryptocurrencies, there are now a number of providers offering crypto card or debit cards. Many of the best altcoin exchanges, such as eToro and Crypto.com, offer dedicated card services that allow you to use your crypto holdings to pay for goods and services. The great thing about this is that the merchant does not have to accept cryptocurrencies for you to use these cards, as the provider handles the exchange process. This means that you can pay with cryptocurrencies and the merchant receives the proceeds in fiat. A win-win situation for everyone involved. Cashback rewards vary from provider to provider, although they are usually distributed in the platform's own tokens. For example, the Crypto.com credit card offers rewards in CRO. However, once cashback is earned, it can be easily withdrawn or used for trading, giving you the opportunity to boost your income even further. And we cannot forget about crypto mining helpers. As mentioned earlier, crypto staking is a process of assisting with blockchain validation in proof-of-stake or POS networks. Mining, on the other hand, is the process used in proof-of-work or POW networks and is crucial for investors to buy Bitcoin and other similar coins. Coinbase Learn defines mining as a process of creating new coins and verifying transactions that take place on a network. Mining requires powerful computer systems, which means that miners have an incentive to help out by distributing mining rewards. These rewards are paid in the respective currency. As an example, mining in the Bitcoin network is rewarded in BTC. As POW networks have grown in size, so have the computing power requirements of a miner. Nowadays, miners are usually companies that own huge computing facilities and run them 24/7. In addition, one must be the first miner to solve the numerical problem that confirms a particular transaction on the network in order to receive a reward. This is essentially pure guesswork and does not require advanced mathematical skills. However, the miners with the highest computing power usually get the answer first because they can try the most potential solutions. And that was our last way for you. If you have other ways, you can always tell us in the comments section below. Also, for more videos like this, you can subscribe to our channel, Hungry Dollar, so you will always get notified. We'll see you in the next video. Hopefully. Goodbye.